I got this lift standing table that you can use next to your bed. So it goes underneath your bed and above your bed. So it's a really nice table. In addition to that, you could use it in your couch or under your couch, which is really nice. Just to show you what the product is, it's very nicely packaged, so it's not going to be damaged. The pieces come out as you're going through them, and you should have everything that you need, hardware, to be able to do the installation. All the pieces, they're really nice and strong pieces as well. They're thick metal, so I'll just continue to do this and get the installation going to show you then how it works. So this is the top of the table right here. I pulled out the bottom pieces. Very nice darker wood grain look to the top on a laminate piece. So I will start putting it together here. For the directions, just placing the screws in like the directions say, and they give a nice hex screwdriver to be able to put these in. So it's going pretty easy so far. Making sure that the bottom has the wheels on it here, which will help us out as we are putting this together. So as you can see here, I have my adjustable height bedside table. I could utilize this for not only my bedside table, but also underneath my couch, to sit at the couch and have a nice table to have right in front of me. What's really nice, it's got this hidden pulley system. So there's a latch under here that you would just push up. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to show you. This is very snug right now. This is the adjustable height table that I just built. It really took minutes to build. There is a lever system that allows the height to be adjustable. So as you can see here, it doesn't quite well fit when it's all the way down for my bed, but there's this pulley system here. You can very easily raise it quite high. So I can see this using my laptop here or my iPad. If I want things to set on where I'm not using the side table, lots of different uses. I guess I could also bring it out to my living room and use it on the couch and be able to have this right in front of me as I am sitting on the couch or in a comfortable chair even.